How to hide tagged photos on Instagram. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. Open your Instagram application. Here, go to your profile on your bottom right. Then again, go to this three bar icon on your top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll below and go to Tags and Mentions. Go to Manually Approve Tags in the middle section. And as you can see, this is the post where I was tagged. So let's toggle this icon and turn on this button. Again, this tag photo, you can hide it or delete it if you want. Tap on this edit option. Choose this and tap on hide. Tap on hide from profile. Refresh your page. And as you can see, there are no tagged photos of mine. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.